So I was in Costco the other day, and judging by their various displays, you would have thought Christmas is tomorrow. Now, fortunately, it's not. I mean, I haven't done any shopping, but I can appreciate the idea that maybe we should start thinking about the holidays. That also happens to be the idea behind our upcoming October classes this month. So let me tell you all about them. I don't care who you are, virtually all of us need one crowd-pleasing, unforgettable meal for holiday entertaining, right? And that's why we're doing a festive fall menu on Sunday, October 13th. The star of this menu is Savory Harvest Lasagna. Now, we make our harvest lasagna with cheeses that you know and love, but instead of red sauce, ours is sauced with a puree of pumpkin or winter squash and layered with sauteed veggies and noodles, of course. It is out of this world delicious, and that goes for both the vegetarian and the meat versions. I've also got a couple of neat time-saving lasagna tricks up my sleeve, tricks that you can use for any lasagna, and I'm anxious to share those with you. Now, all you need is a light salad to go with this lasagna, maybe something a little different. So we'll put together a shaved Brussels sprout salad with a tangy honey mustard dressing. You're going to love it. And then we'll finish things off with a light and refreshing seasonal fruit compote. Now, later in the month, on October 27th, it's back to baking with a trio of holiday cookies, including some that I've been gifting for years. Like these. You can probably guess why we call them chocolate zebras, or sometimes we call them Bev's cookies because someone around here can't keep their hands off them. You know who you are. They'll remind you of the best brownies you've ever eaten. We'll also make these 2-bite jam tassies and deck them out like little fruit pies because you do, after all, have a pie-making reputation to uphold. These are a lot of fun to make and even funner to eat. Last but not least, I'm going to share with you the maple pecan bar recipe that I've been making and holiday gifting for decades now. I mean, people actually call and remind me before the holidays how much they love these things. So it's going to be a busy month of cooking here at the Pie Academy, and it just won't be the same without you, so I hope you'll join us. The sign-up links are below, so shake a leg, keep on scrolling, and we'll see you in class.